In Sambhal Shahi Jama Masjid, an Imam was recently seen standing on the mosque roof giving the Adhan, the Islamic call to prayer, using only his voice. This happened after the local administration banned loudspeakers at religious places to control noise pollution. The video shared widely on social media shows the Imam raising his hands and calling out the Adhan in the traditional way, just like it was done hundreds and years ago before loudspeakers were invented. Many people are praising this return to the tradition, saying it brings a deeper spiritual feeling, but this change also has sparked discussions. Some say the ban on loudspeakers is a good step for public health, as the Supreme Court and the courts in India have ruled against excessive noise pollution. Others feel it targets the religious practices, especially in the mosques, and worry about its impact on their faith. Now, this comes at a time when the Shahi Jama Masjid is already in the news. Last year, a court ordered a survey of the mosque, claiming a temple once stood there, leading to violence and legal battles. The Supreme Court has now paused this survey until March, but tensions remain high in Sambhal. Local leaders and residents have mixed reactions. Some see the vocal Adhan as a sign of harmony, while others connect it to the bigger political debates in the country. The Uttar Pradesh government says the loudspeakers ban is about following the law and keeping the peace, not targeting any community. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.